Marcus TV and show all my home videos with me playing baseball and chess and billiards, and take the money and transfer it to my name.
If I ruled MTV for 24 hours, I'd give myself a raise.
If I ruled MTV for 24 hours, I'd play ABBA non-stop for 24 hours.
If I ruled MTV for 24 hours, I'd bring back the censored part, so it'd be cool.
Premonition ka na ba na okay tong banda na to?
Well, lagi naman pag may banda, lagi isip mo okay. Tapos meron kaming maliliit na goals para sana matugtog tayo ng AS steps na first. Sana makatugtog tayo ng library steps. Oh yeah. Sana makatugtog kaming club red. Sana makatugtog kaming sangkay. So, alam mo yun, hindi naman para we will conquer the world. So, maliliit lang yung goals namin until para mas realistic, di ba?
Ng experiences from high school na nasulat ng banda, lahat ng experiences from college, sa lahat ng dormitories na pinagdaanan, sa lahat ng mga taong yun, sa lahat ng mga experiences na yun, doon ang galing yung mga kanta.
Right after college kasi parang blur na lahat na masaya eh. Parang rock and roll, chaos yung nangyari na masaya na parang yung 3 araw na wala kaming gagawin is luxury yun.
Yun, the simple joys of life. Yung tipong come from work, pag-uwi mo, you have a, may orange juice ka sa ref, may kama kang mahigaan, may libro kang mababasa.
40 years from now, hopefully I'll still be recording and touring and probably have a record company in the internet.
Ano ulit yung tanong? Sorry. Bale, dati, ano ulit yung tanong? Okay. Inspirasyon ko ngayon? Lahat ng mga tao nakapaligid sa akin, hindi lang kasi isang tao kasi sila kasama mo rin sa, kahit sabi mong hindi mo kasama ngayon, pero kasama mo pa rin talaga sila. So, silang lahat yung kakilala ko.
My philosophy in life is eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow is another day.
Okay, now it's time for our to be or not to be section. This is where these guys right now are going to give us one do and one don't on being successful and famous on to be or not to be. Okay, starting on my right, Raymond, go.
Do respect other people's ideas and don't diss.
Do be prompt in your scheduling and don't be late in your scheduling.
Do be successful, don't be famous.
Do take time to reflect and do not lose your sense of humor.
Sila Blue kasi wala kami instrumento, wala kami lahat. So, para makapag-jam na kami, hindi yun sa studio, para makapag-record kami, pumunta pa kami Candelaria, yung sa garahe ni Raymond kasi meron siyang component yun namin mic. So, yun na namin dito. Ngayon, ang dali-dali na lang. Pero dati talaga naman, pahirapan talaga. Nilakad namin yung unang demo sa mga record companies. Ang uso nun, mga pogi, banda, mga rap. Sabi hindi daw kayo pop. Hindi kayo pop.
Now, when did you decide for yourself that this would be like a career for you, not just a hobby?
Oh, since I saw my folks going to work at 9 in the morning and coming back at 5 and wearing a uniform, so I decided I'd better get into something different.